How to edit weight in Myfitnesspal app. Firstly, you have to open Myfitnesspal app. The app will appear in front of you. Move on the dashboard, which is at the bottom here. You can see here dashboard. Now click on, you can have to move here weight last 90 days. Click on this plus mark. In this way, at the top you can see here weight in kgs. Click on it and you can change your weight from here. Now click on this mark which is at right top corner. In this way your weight is being changed in Myfitnesspal app. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Consider your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.